Today I'm doing a video on my Ram 2500. I did a Bilstein lift on it. As you can see, the front is now level with the rear. Bilstein did a nice job. Reservoir on the shock, replacement coils on the front, matching sister shocks for the rear. Anyway, I'm happy with it, how it came out. Performance is much better, ride is much smoother. Haven't towed with it yet. I'll let everybody know. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.